Contixo F19 foldable mini drone with 1080p camera, obstacle avoidance, 2 batteries, brushless motors, LED lights, case, black. Product details. This is the perfect first drone. We designed the Contixo F19 to solve the biggest fear of new pilots. Will I crash it? And will it break? This drone is different. It's built with smart obstacle avoidance sensors to act as your safety net and features durable, quiet brushless motors, the kind of quality you find in more expensive drones. It's made to last beyond the first flight. With simple one-key takeoff, 2 included batteries, and a carrying case, the F19 is the complete, worry-free package. It's the ideal way to discover the joy of flying for the first time. Features smart obstacle avoidance sensors for safer flights. Equipped with durable, quiet brushless motors,